My name is Manish Yadav and I am graduated in BA Mathematics from MDU University and I belong from Rewari, Haryana, and currently I am doing an internship into software development into a growth loop company, and GUVI helped me a lot to gain this internship. Last year I joined GUVI Master Data Science Certification Program, and I found this program is very helpful for me. GUVI helped me a lot to gain my uh, coding skills and data visualization and master data science skills. And the teachers from GUVI are very supportive. They helped me a lot into gaining my skills, and I found that they helped their students very much, and also their course is cost effective, and I found that they truly help their students to gaining their dream job. And I belong from a non-tech background, but GUVI helped me to gain a job into technical domain, and because of GUVI I able to got my job. And GUVI has their project doubt clarification session, where in this session they clear your doubts, one-to-one mentorship, and they provide code kata like platforms where you can robust your technical skills. So I found GUVI best for me, and because of GUVI I got my job into a technical domain.